Hello, my friends. My friend Kristen and I were talking about, Kristen from Damon's Algebra Room, we're talking about how to get like tons of images from a Google Slides presentation into the background. So like say students couldn't grab any of the individual pieces and kind of mess with them or grab things that we don't want them to be able to grab. So I just made this super cheesy looking activity. The clip art isn't cheesy. That's what I'm creating for the clip art, creating for the classroom. Her stuff is adorable, but this activity is ridiculous, but let's ignore that and just see how we could get all of these slides. I didn't do a lot. I just did 6 real quick into the background so kids couldn't do something like grab this sheep and drag it over. Okay, so let me put him back or her. Okay, so if you grab this free add-on, it's called Slides Toolbox. I don't know what the premium does, and I actually haven't used this much, but my friend Laura from Southern Bell Teaching showed this to me. There are really cool ones. Check out Bearwood Labs on TPT. They sell a really cool one that will allow you to keep some things editable, some things not. Danielle Knight from Study All Night on TPT also has one. I don't know if you can choose on hers which things you want to leave unflattened, but the Bearwood Labs one is super cool. They have it for Mac and for PC. But here's a free option if all you need to do is just throw all of those images into the background. So I want to first export all the images. So I'm going to go to Export Tools. I'm going to go Export Slides. I think I have to select them all. So let me just select all my slides here over on the left. Export Slides, I'm going to export them as a JPEG. I don't think it actually matters, but that's what I'm going to do. All right, it will take a moment and then we'll see this window pop up here and it's going to tell us what to do. It's going to say that at the bottom there will be something where it will say saved to drive, and we'll click on that and it will show us that all of those images were saved to our Google Drive. So here it is, saved to drive. Okay, that is down here at the bottom. See where it says save to drive? I hope you can see that when I finally crop this video, but it's at the bottom, right? I click that, it will open my Google Drive and we'll see where it is. Now I want to get this onto my computer because honestly I don't know how to access zipped files from my Google Drive. So I'm just going to, once this loads, I'm going to click this download option, if it ever loads, please. Okay, there they are. There's my 6 pages. So let me download. It only says sample because that's what I named the activity. So now I'm going to go into, actually, I'm going to go back to my activity here, okay, and let me go into my downloads and just unzip that file. So here it is here. That's the one I just did. I screwed up before, so that's not the right one. Okay, so here is my unzipped copy of sample 1. Okay, so now I'm just going to open a new Google Slides presentation. I made this one. I didn't leave it in the standard format. Probably should have, so that you didn't have to watch me change the dimensions. Sorry that my internet is so slow right now. It's usually pretty quick. My big face is in the way here. Can I move my face out of the way during this? I'm not sure. There we go. Yes, I can. Page setup. I'll speed this up when I'm editing it. Okay, sorry, that took a while to load. So now I have a blank Google Slides presentation. So now I go back into my add-ons, open up Slides Toolbox again. This time I'm going to use the import tools. So I'm going to create slides from images. I want single images and I want to set as page background. So I click Next. I'm going to upload it from my downloads. Here it is. I'm going to select all of those pages, open. There they are. And then I'm going to, what does it say there? Click Upload. And takes a couple moments. Probably take longer if I had more slides. There's only 6 slides here. Voila. There's the slides. Now you'll notice the first slide is blank. So you can just delete that one. It always puts a blank one in. Let me move my big head over here. And now you'll see I've got those pages, those slides, and none of this is clickable. So that is just the background image. And now if I wanted to, I could go in and put in text boxes or shapes over top of these sheep that I want them to be able to click on, right? I could make that like a transparent, so I could fill transparent and make the line around it transparent, and then insert hyperlinks. So like for this one, I guess I need to do a drop down menu because I have my screen squished so much. So link, and I would want this one, since that one is incorrect, right? It's 4, yeah. So it's incorrect, so I'd want it to go to try again. So I'd want to go to slide 3, apply. And so now when someone were to play that game, right, if they click on that sheep, it's going to jump them to that slide. And so that's how you can get all of your slides into the background of a Google Slides presentation.